Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that your fingerprint sensor is not working on your OPPO Find X9. So actually this is a Pro model, I forgot to mention it, but this is the Pro model. And at first, to fix it, prepare yourself a microfiber cloth. Clean the area of the fingerprint sensor over here and check if it does work. It should. Let's check if it does. As I can see, it still doesn't. So this is not that good issue now. So we have to do something else. Apart from the cleaning the fingerprint sensor with a soft cloth, we can go to the settings. Here, scroll down to the security and wait a moment, where was that? Security and privacy over here. Scroll down to the device unlock and go down to the face and fingerprint unlock. Tap fingerprint, draw your lock screen pattern or pin code, and here tap these three dots near your fingerprint added. Tap delete, add a fingerprint, new fingerprint, and do the same process that you have done earlier, but for the another finger, as I can see. I mean, not for another finger, just register your fingerprint. But as for the test, you can try adding another finger. Now, as I can see, we have fingerprint added. We can tap done, click this power button to lock and check if it does work. Now, as I can say, it does. But if it still doesn't work for you, remove any screen protectors, any cases that may cause the interference with your screen. Even though if it costs, for example, $200, $100, $50, etc., if it's too tough, it won't work. So you have to remove your your screen protector, unfortunately. And I don't want you to waste your money, but any uncertified or unofficial screen protectors may cause interference and just make your fingerprint not readable. And apart from that, we can go straight to the settings and go, wait a moment, here, go straight to the system and update. Tap software update and check for updates. If you do have some update, please update your phone immediately. Here, as I can see, we have the latest version of the Android, so yeah, if you have this issue on the latest version, wait for any update which may be pending. If you do have some pending update right now, please update your phone immediately because it will fix your issue and some sensor bugs. And that's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye!